Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of Horilla. In today's video, let's discuss about the rotating work type. So Horilla provides an user-friendly platform that allows with the creation and management of rotating work types, enabling organizations to effectively schedule employees across different work types. So in a company, the HR manager or the reporting manager of the employees will be able to assign rotating work types to the employees. So let's see how we can manage that in Horilla. So at first, let's see what are the already configured rotating work types in our company. So for that, let's go to the settings, and under the employees, we'll be able to find the rotating work type. So over here, we'll find the already configured rotating work types. That is, we have two rotating work types. That is work from home to work from office, in which work type 1 is work from home and work type 2 is work from office. And then we have work from office to work from home. And similarly for that also, we have set the work type 1 and work type 2. And then we can perform actions like if you want to make any edits to the configured work type, that is, if you want to change the work type 1 or 2, or if you want to add more work types, we can make the updations to the rotating work type like this. And then we can also delete or remove the rotating work type that we have created. So to create a new rotating work type, we can click on this create button and we can add a name for the rotating work type that we are creating. And we can choose a work type 1 and a work type 2. And we can also add more work types to the rotating work type that we are creating by clicking on the add more work types. So like this, we'll be able to create a new rotating work type to our company. So let's see how we can assign the rotating work types to the employees. So for that, let's see how we can assign work types to individual employees. So for that, let's go to the employee module and to the employees, and let's select one employee, and we have the work type and shift tab, under which we have the option for assigning the rotating work type. That is, we'll be able to assign the rotating work type to an individual employee like this. We can click on add, and then we can select the rotating work type from the already configured work types. And then we can also provide the start date. So in that date, the rotating work type begins for that employee, and we can also set a based on, that is when the shift should happen for the rotating work type, that is after. If you are selected after, we can provide a rotate after day. So if you are giving 7 over here, the in equal intervals of 7 days, the work type rotates for the employee. And then we have the option to set it based on weekend, and we can also provide the week over here upon which the work type will rotate for the employee. And then we have monthly, and for month we can also set a day for a day of the month at which the work type should rotate for the employee. Like this, we can assign the rotating work type for the employees individually, and we can also assign the work types, rotating work types for multiple employees together. So for that, under the employees, we have the option for rotating work type assign over here. So let's click on that. And over here, we'll be able to find the rotating work types of different employees. So we have the employee, the title of the rotating work type they are in, the based on, rotate, start date, current work type, next switch, that is at which date the next switch should occur for that employee. And then we have the next work type also. Like this, we'll be able to view the rotating work types of the employee, and to assign rotating work types to employee, we have the assign button over here. So let's click on that, and we'll be able to add employees to the employees field over here. So we can add multiple employees. So let's say we want to change set a rotating work type for all the employees in the sales department. So for that, we have to add all the employees in the sales department over here. So for that, we have a filter option available. So we can filter out all the employees in the sales department. So let's click on filter, and we can set work info, and I'm giving the department as sales. So sales department, and click on filter. So all the employees in the sales department has been filtered out, and we can select all the employees. So we have 10 employees over here so we can select all the 10 users and click on add. So all the employees will be added to the employees field over here, and now we can assign the rotating work type to the employees together. So let's select the rotating work type as work from home to work from office, and we can set a start date, and then we have the based on. So if you want to rotate the work type of the employees in equal intervals, we can set a based on after and set the number of days over here, or else we can set it as weekend or monthly. So I'm setting it as monthly, and I'm giving the rotate every last day. So last day of each month, the work type of the employees will rotate. And now let's save this. So the rotating work type has been assigned. So this is how we can assign the rotating work types to the employees in Horilla. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching.